Class 12th Commerce, Subject Accountancy, Chapter number 6, Dissolution of Partnership Firm, Lecture number 5. First of all, listen. Today I am going to start a new topic. See, it is known as by the name of memorandum balance sheet. In memorandum balance sheet, what happens? That question is given to you in paragraph form. Balance sheet is not given. Again listen, it is the new topic that I am starting. Memorandum balance sheet. It means that balance sheet is not given to you in question and you have to prepare it. If a balance sheet on the date of dissolution is not given in question, first of all, the balance sheet in proper form should be prepared in order to find out the missing figure. Whatever question says, the same figure you will get by the preparation of balance sheet. When balance sheet is not given in question, it is known as memorandum balance sheet. In this question, balance sheet will disclose the figure of sundry assets on the date of dissolution that I am going to teach you now. Listen. The question, the illustration 18 that I will teach you now, it will give you the balancing figure, and the balancing figure will be sundry assets, and the amount of sundry assets is missing. That will be found only by the preparation of balance sheet. Balance sheet at the date of dissolution not given. The same I told you in beginning. Illustration number 18. A, B and C are partners. They are in partnership with profit sharing ratio 3:3:4. They decided to dissolve the partnership firm. At the date of dissolution, their creditors amounted to rupees 16,000. And in the course of dissolution, a contingent liability of rupees 2,650 not brought into the accounts matured and had to be met. Listen, in the illustration, what has been given to you, it is creditors are given to you for 16,000. Contingent liability, it has been matured and had to be met. माने ये पैसा आपको पे करना है. Amount has to be paid. Their capitals for A, B and C. For A rupees 12,000, for B rupees 10,000 and for C rupees 8,000 respectively. B had lent money to the firm in addition to capital of rupees 14,000. Then the assets, they have been realized, and the realization of assets, it was done for rupees 40,150. And the question is saying that prepare realization account. You have to prepare only realization account. Now see the solution. Balance sheet will be made by the name of working note. Without preparation of this working note, you will not be in position to prepare your realization account. Now see, creditors are given in question 16,000. B's loan is given to you in question 14,000. And capitals also they are given to you A, B, C, 12,000, 10,000, 8,000, overall 30,000. Nothing has been given in assets. So the balancing figure will be in the name of assets. बैलेंसिंग फिगर को हम सन्ड्री एसेट्स के नाम से जानेंगे. एज यू पीपल नो दैट द बैलेंस शीट, the addition of assets and liabilities, they are always equal, and see, the same has been done. It will be counted in working note. Without this preparation of this working note, you will not be able to prepare your realization account. Now move on to see. It is realization account. In debit side, it is written Two sundry assets 60,000. Amount has been transferred from balance sheet in realization account. The nature of realization account is nominal. All expenses, losses, they are to be recorded in debit side. Profits, gains, they are supposed to be written in credit side. Two sundry assets 60,000, amount shifted from balance sheet in realization account. By creditors 16,000, also this amount has been transferred from balance sheet to realization account. After that, see, it has been written to cash account. Creditors rupees 16,000. Nothing has been said for creditors. See, for the payment the question is silent. Still the money has to be paid, and the reason is that the firm is now going to be dissolved. So it is mandatory to pay all liabilities. Contingent liability has been paid 2,650. Now see, by cash account, it is the amount that was realized by assets. Assets were sold and 40,150, they were the rupees that were received. Debit side addition is more. When debit side addition is more, the firm will suffer from losses. By loss transferred to A's capital account 6,750, B's capital account 6,750, C's capital account 9,000. Overall the loss is of 22,500. And now one very much more important thing, listen. One partner's loan is given to you. That loan amount will be paid by the preparation of separate B's loan account. You will have to prepare. That will be by balance BD, and the amount will be paid in to cash. To cash means B's loan account debit to cash. I have taught you realization account. In case of any doubt, you can contact me. Now it is homework solution of lecture number 4, page number 6.89. Now see, open your book at page number 6.89. It is the solution of question number 4. Now see, the amounts they have been transferred from balance sheet in realization account. Assets, first of all, see, all assets except cash, they are written on the debit side of realization account. All the liabilities, they are written on credit side of realization account. It is question number 4. Now see, to land and building 30,000, to motor vehicles 18,300, to stock 72,800, to debtors 1,13,200. And now listen, amount has been paid to creditors and expenses for realization. These are the two expenses that are done. To bank account, creditors 95,800, and creditors amount has been paid at some discount. To bank account expenses 1,250. Now move on to credit side. By provision for bad debts 2,450. By creditors 97,500. Whenever transfer of assets or liabilities is done, that is done on the book value. Book value means whatever the amount is written in balance sheet. By bank account, now see, the motor vehicle that was sold for 16,950. Stock 77,600. Debtors 1,13,200, and land and building for rupees 43,500. Overall amount received by the selling of, by the realization of assets, that is 2,51,250. And listen, credit side addition is more. When credit side addition is more, the partners will be in profit, and the profit has been transferred in their capital accounts credit side. Move on to debit side. To profit transferred to A's capital account 11,910, B's capital account 7,950, and this has been transferred by the ratio, by their profit sharing ratio that is given to you in question number 4, 3:2. Partners capital account. Particulars, then AB, there are two partners. By balance PD, amount has been transferred from balance sheet to partners capital account. By realization account, it is the profit that has been transferred 11,910, 7,940. Nothing is written in credit side, debit side. Debit में कुछ भी नहीं है. In that case, the balancing figure will be by the name of two bank. And what will be the journal entry? Partners capital account debit to bank. It means the money will be given to partners. The firm will pay money to partners to bank. Balancing figure है to A. How many rupees will be paid? 96,910. How many rupees will be paid to B? 70,940. Again listen. When we prepare partners capital account in dissolution, we do not write to balance carried down, because the business is now it has been dissolved. So balancing figure may we write to bank account or by bank account. Now the bank account has been prepared. To balance BD, the amount has been transferred from balance sheet to bank account. The nature of bank account is personal account. Debit में सारा receiving, credit में सारा payment. To balance BD 13,658 is given to you in question, and 2,51,250. This amount, the firm received this amount by realizing assets. By A's capital account, it is the payment done to A, 96,910. By B's capital account, 70,940. This is the amount that has been paid to B. By realization account, creditors paid 95,800. By realization account, the amount has been paid for realization expenses. The addition is 2,64,900. And now you see, this bank balance is matching. It means the question that was done, that was correct. In dissolution, your bank account balance should match. And now homework, it is chapter number 6. You will solve questions from 13 to 16, and page number for your convenience, I have given you page number there. It will start from 6.100. Thank you so much.